Hi babies. Okay, I know I've been on a little bit of a hiatus. It's been a real rough, crazy year for me. I'm gonna do a life update for you guys, but this is the first video of 2019, the end of my hiatus. I'm back. That's an inside joke. But I'm bringing to you guys how I do a wrap on my hair, or a turban. You guys have seen me with this wrap and have asked me, how do you do that? That's so beautiful. How long is your scarf? What type of scarf do you use? How do you achieve these different looks that you do? X, Y, and Z. I believe I have about 2 to 3 looks that I will show you guys today. It can be done on whatever hair, preferably I wear these when I have my flat twist and I have wet hair underneath, and I just don't choose to wear it out, or the duration of time that I'll be out is not that long, but I don't want to wear my real hair. Currently, I am rocking braids as of now. And many of you who follow me on my main Instagram account have seen I just came back from Jamaica, so I'm rocking the braids. Oh, my edges aren't done. Tell me, sorry. This is the first video of the year. Then after this, I'm gonna bring you guys a life update. Third video after that, I should be working on the segment. I'm almost done, really. I've been writing out the how to budget and how to college, really, as I go through this whole freshman journey. My journey is almost done. As a freshman, I'll be a junior next year in college. I have learned a lot, but then again, I'll elaborate more once I get to that video and finish writing the segment, because that one is a banger. You guys are gonna learn a lot with that one. So let's dive right in. We need a fairly long scarf. This is one end. Boom, boom, middle, and this is the other end. I wish I could show you guys about how long it is, but it's fairly long. Okay, fairly long. Okay, so I start fairly long and fairly wide as well. This is one end, this is the next end, fairly wide. So I always start, like I said, I do it on a flat twist, so it's much easier. But now that I have braids, it'll be a better look of how it would look with different hairstyles and things of that sort, okay? So I start by drawing it up like this all the way to the end, putting the end, y'all see these eyebrows though? What's up? Can't tell me nothing. Been doing this. I'm gonna do an updated video on that because I have different methods now. But anyways, kind of, sort of, not all the way. Just different methods within brushing and strokes and things of that sort. But this is the end, front back here. It really doesn't matter because at the end of the day, it is two ends of the width, if that makes sense. So you make sure that the top is at a comfortable length on your forehead. Bring it back completely like so. Now, the ends do not have to be even. No, I take that back. The ends do have to be even to make sure that when you wrap, we have enough tucking. As I go through this video, all that will make sense. Okay, so once you even it out, you bring it to a comfortable length on your forehead, bring it back like I said. I always tend to cross over like so that each end is on either side. As you can see, it is still long, so we still have more wrapping to go and more wrapping to work with. And then here's the part where we bring it around to the front, okay? So we're going to work with our right hand side first and twisting like so. And then we're gonna twist all the way out. Twist it in a motion all the way out. So, like so. Okay, so this is style 1, in which I will twist all the way out. And then the main question that I always get, the second main question, first one will be styling. The second main question I get is, how do you secure each end? Okay, I secure each end by wrapping it out to the end, like I said, and pulling it. Okay, wrapping it out to the end, pulling it, and tucking it in here. Okay, if you guys can see, I'm not too sure, but if you guys can see, tucking it in here and bringing it out. Okay, so now this end is secure. We tuck it again to hide all the insecurities. Okay, so now we're on this side, the left hand side. We're gonna go ahead and do the same thing. Twist, twist, twist. Oh yes, I got a new spacing now, guys. I'm gonna take you guys through that journey of how that felt as well. I'll be getting a lot of questions on how does it feel, but I'll do a video on that as well. All right, so we're still turning, 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 tail, turning, turning, twisting, turning, turning, twisting, turning, turning, twisting, turning, turning, twisting, turning, turning, twisting. And this method is a style like so. Okay, and we're gonna go ahead. You can tuck anywhere where you find an open abrasion to push under. Okay, so this is the first style. Okay, second style. We're going to pull this one and bring it up over, that they're on top of each other, like so. Okay, now I'm going to show you guys how to do that from stage 1, because I know that it will be very confusing. Okay, so you can twist it like we did before, straight across, tucking back here. Next, you will twist this one straight and then bring it up over this one like so, and tucking in the back like so. Okay, so that it gives the up and over illusion and the crown illusion. Okay, second style. I wonder if there's any more styles I can show you guys. I can always show you guys. Those are the 2 main styles that I do though. Like the up and over and stuff like that. You can always bring a large, vast amount of it like to one side and continue to wrap it like a beehive, like so. It gives this illusion. Okay, and then you can bring your turban to the front. This turban is the cutest. I love it. I got it as a gift for anybody who's asking. So I'm not quite sure where they got it. I'm sure that you guys can find one just like it in novelty shops and things of that sort. That it being of African descent. So instead of showing you guys 2 looks, I end up showing you guys 4 looks in which you guys can wear transform a head wrap into a look no matter what hairstyle you wear. Thank you for watching and subscribe. Watch and like.